Hello, the family friends. And view from across the world, Joey Jones on the road. But first, let me show you something real quick. A lot of people ask me how you lock your drives. So then right now, I'm going to show you how I lock them. And when do I lock them? Basically what you're doing is you're setting up your drive shaft to spin on 8 tires. Okay, I'm going to show you that right now. I'm here right now. Yeah, just doing my, I guess I'm the only one out here because a lot of people doesn't like to, they don't like to come out when it snows, It was snowing earlier. I was down in Wilmington and yeah, it was crazy down there. But here up in the Northeast, it's coming through later on, But right now, a lot of people ask me, how do I lock my drives? Right now, let me show you real quick. This is what you have your axle lock. It's right here. So what I normally like to do is I like to start my engine first while it's in neutral. Okay. Right now it's not even set. If you set it, it'll have like a little orange light that'll come on. Okay. So for that being said, let me show you here on the screen. Okay, on a Freightliner Cascadia, it has a digital screen where you control it on the steering wheel. There it is right there. Right now, when you set it on the middle, the ball will go orange. So right now it's not set. So before you even set it, make sure that your trailer brakes are set. So when you pop them out, they are set. And make sure that you are neutral before you even do that. Okay, so right now, we're gonna go ahead and push it in. You see that orange LED light? It's on. And there it is, boom, see? See how it's set? Now you're good to go. Now again, when you set your drive shaft, make sure you're on neutral and your brakes are set. I never do it while I'm at drive. I never do it while I'm driving at all. I never switch it over while I'm driving. Something that I can imagine when you're, when you're driving and your transmissions are, or your gears are spinning, I can imagine if you switch it and then you can break the transmission, in my point of view, I don't know if you've done it while it's driving, but I wouldn't even bother to do it while it's driving, man. You just do it while it's set. And then when you finish, what you do, set your brakes, put it on neutral, and then turn it back off. When do I use it? When it snows and when it's pouring hard, when it's raining, that's when I use it the most. And no, it won't even bother if you go up to 50 miles per hour, 55. I tried it, and no, it won't do any damage to the transmission or nothing. But again, yeah, I only use it when emergency purposes, like when it snows or if it rains a lot. That's basically when you want to use it. And say when you're on the gravel terrain or off-road or something, then that's when you can do it as well too. That's when I'll do it. So yeah, do that and keep your safe following distance. And I don't know if it's snowing where you at, but be careful, drive safe, slow down. You're gonna get there, trust me. There's no need to rush, and there's no need to hurry, man, because there's a lot of accidents going on out there, especially these students, man. You don't want, these students out here, man, they because if one makes a mistake, everybody else pays for it, and that's basically what it is, One mistake, one pays for it all. All right, my peoples. So it's a new year, so be safe, drive safe, stay safe, mask up. This coronavirus thing is still, now they got the Omicron, whatever it is. It's a lot going on, so just be careful, man. Stay focused on the road. All right, my peoples. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Be safe.